Let's hit it with a cold start. Perfecto! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Torque Spec Garage. Believe it or not, don't got a how-to video for you today. We're actually going to go put this thing on the dyno and see what it can do. Let's get to it. Up on the stand, get ready to back her on the dyno, just letting it cool off for a second because it is very warm out here today. So as you can see, dyno jet, Steven. Try to get her dialed in. This is soon to be their future home base for Big D Automotive. They're working on fully getting moved over here from Cumming, so they'll be fully in here soon. Alright guys, so just got done doing, I think we did 4 pulls, a couple third gear pulls and a couple fourth gear pulls. Car made 638 horsepower, 580 torque. So not too bad. Again, huge thanks to Steven and Big D Automotive for the love and hospitality. You guys be sure to go check out his channel at Shokosan Steven Racing for hooking it up with the dyno. Super cool, super thankful. But I'll get some more rolling shots on my way home, and gonna take Steven.